Cognizant's clients are really the Global 2000, right? These are large, complex organizations with a lot of legacy technologies, a lot of technical debt. And so implementing AI and agentic commerce is complex. And that's what Cognizant helps our clients with. We help them with the data foundation, the integration into their enterprise systems like their order management, their merchandising, their supply chain systems. And all of this takes a lot of heavy lifting to be able to actually realize that vision of agentic commerce that all of our clients are on the path to. The struggles that retailers are having, especially the large ones, is really how do they kind of take a crawl, walk, run approach to AI. And in line with that, Cognizant has launched what we call our AI Builder strategy on 3 vectors. The first vector is really using AI for productivity to drive productivity and efficiency gains across all aspects of the enterprise, whether it's technology, finance and accounting, HR. The second vector is really being able to implement AI at scale, which we call industrializing AI, which means you go from proof of concept to be able to actually an enterprise scale implementation. And the third vector is really the agentification, which is obviously complex, requires a lot of foundational work. So it's really that journey that we're helping our clients with to get the results that AI promises, and everybody's like on a race to realize. Large enterprise retailers have a complex mix of homegrown systems and off-the-shelf products, while the smaller retailers are really relying on just, off-the-shelf products that are just driving their business. So it's easier for them to implement AI because, it's usually the platform and the solution and the product companies that are coming in with their next generation product and helping these retailers implement it. While if you look at the enterprise scale retailers, it's a complex mix of legacy, homegrown, and the new. So Cognizant's role in helping these clients is to really stitch all of this together to be able to implement the solution that's right for them. So we don't go around with a hammer looking for a nail. We understand the problem, reimagine the business process, do the foundational work, and then help them implement AI.
You cannot improve what you cannot measure, right? And as we go talk to our clients, we realize it's a massive blind spot for them, that as their shoppers are changing behavior, they are not even able to see it, right? So our first approach is to give them the visibility for in the AI world where it's OpenAI with ChatGPT or Perplexity or with Gemini, Google, is your brand even visible when shoppers are searching your products? Are you discoverable at the top, but then go through sequentially and methodically through the shopping journey to understand, are you plumbed to actually conduct commerce in that AI-assisted funnel all the way to checkout, right? And there's a lot of steps in between. There's a lot of infrastructure you need to develop as you go through that, and that's where Cognizant helps our clients. For one of the leading CPG brands in the world, we just did this brand visibility study. Their CMO was like, my traffic is dropping. I can see on my Google dashboards, my impressions have dropped. I don't know what has changed. And we realized, well, maybe your shoppers have migrated to Google Gemini and OpenAI, and you did a brand visibility study, 175% increase in their impressions as we help fix the infrastructure for them, right? So this is just recent, and now they are moving towards the commerce journey. They've solved the discoverability problem. So last year, agentic commerce, agentic shopping was a concept. I think this is the year for when that concept is actually going to be put to use. Already 50% of shopping intent for the 2025 holiday season, shoppers were using Perplexity, OpenAI, Copilot to do their searches, and that will now translate more and more into commerce. We're really excited about it, and I think the world is going to shift from humans prompting the AI to AI prompting humans to take actions. And this is where Cognizant is at the bleeding edge to help our clients solve one of the problems, which is humans getting assisted by AI, but truly going to a world where it's agentic to agentic shopping experiences.